King Cut on fire.
You don't look like you're 16 anymore. What's been going on since 16?
I'm not 16 no more. I'm a little grown, you know. I'm a songwriter. I'm a singer. I'm doing my thing. You know.
Yeah. What are you working on right now?
I'm working on my mixtape. Just writing a whole bunch of songs for different people. I've been out here in LA for about 4 days now, just writing every day, working, and that's what I'm doing.
Who do you write for? Anybody?
I really just write for whoever they need records for. Justin Bieber, Rihanna, anybody that they need.
Excuse me, anybody? Justin Bieber, who's like the hottest thing out right now, and Rihanna?
It's the hottest thing. Rihanna definitely is.
And that's all because of Aaron Reed, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So are we going to see you up here on the stage tonight?
Not tonight. No. I just came to support my friends.
Okay, well, there you go. Thanks for stopping by.
All right, absolutely.